Today, we will cook venison in rosehip sauce. You will need venison, rosehip jam, flour, butter, lard or oil, thyme, bay leaf, juniper, lemon juice, and salt. Season 2 portions of venison with salt and with dried thyme. I am using venison haunch steaks, but you could use a different cut. Coat the meat in plain, all-purpose flour. Fry the meat from all sides in lard or in frying oil. Then, cover the meat in boiling water. Add a bay leaf. Add a few dried juniper berries. Cover with a lid and simmer for about 90 minutes, or until the meat is very tender. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a separate pan. Add 3 tablespoons of plain flour. Cook the butter, together with the flour, on a gentle heat, for a few minutes. Then, pour in some of the liquid from the other pan. Break up any large lumps of flour, using a fork or a whisk. Cook the sauce for about 10 minutes, stirring it frequently. If the sauce becomes too thick, add more liquid. Once the sauce thickens, add a bit of lemon juice. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons of rosehip jam. Stir the jam into the sauce. Add a little bit of salt as well. You can serve the meat and the sauce together with homemade dumplings, or with other side of your choice, such as roasted potatoes.